Hi, everyone. This week we'll be working on Module 7. We'll be starting our Project 2, which focuses on career exploration. So in Module 7, you'll be asked to learn how to avoid plagiarism, to complete a reflection assignment, and to follow a reading process that includes Cornell notes. So first off, you'll see some resources on avoiding plagiarism. There's a ungraded activity to complete. There's a video to watch, a website to read, and a presentation to read. These resources are included to help you learn how to avoid plagiarism. Avoiding plagiarism is important in all of your college classes. And so as you go through these resources, think about which ideas are helpful to you, which ideas are new to you, and what questions do you have. Then you'll be asked to complete the Module 7 discussion. There are 6 discussion questions to answer, and your first post is due at the end of the day on Thursday. Then, by the end of the day on Sunday, you should respond to 2 classmates. You could consider what you like about their ideas, whether you agree or disagree with what they've shared and why, and what advice you can provide to your classmates to help them avoid plagiarism. After this, there is a Project 1 reflection. And so with this Word document, you're asked to review the reading, writing, and technology skills you've practiced in our course so far. You're asked to use the yellow highlighter in Word to highlight the skills you practiced during our first project in weeks 3 to 6 of the class, and a green highlighter to highlight the skills you would like to develop this term. There are reflection questions to help you consider the skills you've developed so far and how you might get more practice in these skills. You'll also see that there's an overview for the Project 2, which focuses on career exploration. This overview gives you a sense of what we'll be completing over the next few weeks. After this, you'll see the reading process assignment. This assignment asks you to use a resource that you'll find online that is related to your intended career. There are pre-reading questions, also post-reading questions, and you're also asked to create a set of Cornell notes. So you'll see a video that describes how to complete Cornell notes. There's also a student example to help you. And so this is a new kind of reading strategy that we're learning to use to identify what we think is most important as we're reading. And so for each section of the resource that you're reading, you should take notes. Also identify vocabulary that's interesting or new to you. And it's a table that you'll fill in where you'll take notes for each one of those sections. So notice how with this example, there's a heading, what they do. You would take notes here on the right side. So you'll read the section and complete notes on the right side of the table. The next section is titled work environment. So you'd read that section and take notes of what you learned from that section as well. We will later use these notes to help us with a writing assignment. And so try to take as many notes as you can of things that you think are interesting or important about your intended future career. Again, there will be some pre-reading questions to answer. There'll be some post-reading questions to answer. There's also a section that asks you to evaluate the resource that you're reading. And there's a video labeled Using Text Features to help you learn more about text features that are common in this kind of writing. And so make sure to watch the video and use some of those ideas as you evaluate the resource you're reading. Finally, you'll see the module checklist. This is just here to help you make sure you complete all of the weekly tasks. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'd be happy to help. So I hope you have a great week. Take care.